We are at Arsenale, Venice's former shipbuilding yard, for the 18th International Architecture Biennale that explores the theme, the laboratory of the future. In this video we will be exploring the National Pavilions in the location. Luxembourg's installation titled Down to Earth explores topics such as space resource exploitation, space mining and moon laboratories.
If we have a company in Luxembourg that wants to do an activity in space, let's say for example the company iSpace wants to go to the moon and drive there with their rover and maybe use space resources, then they need to get an authorization from the Luxembourg government.
Singapore's pavilion explores social topics in architecture by asking questions and showcasing the data in the center of the installation. The Turkish pavilion expands on the carrier bag theory of fiction, which suggests that the carrier bag was likely the first human tool. The installation draws parallels between this concept and architecture, and emphasizes the importance of listening to the stories of abandoned buildings, and propose new approaches to transform existing structures. The Peruvian Pavilion's installation invites visitors to be inspired by the care and networked knowledge of indigenous communities that foster the regeneration of the rainforest. The South African Pavilion's exhibition is called The Structure of a People and showcases architectural representations of social structures. The United Arab Emirates Pavilions installation contrasts land-based knowledge and modern technology and investigates where architectural solutions can be found if we view arid landscapes as places of abundance. With its basketball court installation, the Mexican Pavilion highlights the importance of basketball courts in indigenous communities. The Saudi Pavilion merges the past with the future, where traditional materials are used with new technologies and future architectural construction materials are proposed. Argentina's installation demonstrates the many facets of water whilst exploring its future. The Philippines Pavilion examines the country's waterways and the flawed human impact on the water's health. Kosovo's pavilion showcases an inverted neon house that symbolizes the different aspects of migration. The Croatian pavilion celebrates the coexistence of nature and human-made elements, drawing inspiration from the constantly changing wetlands and the communities that have adapted to it. The Latvian pavilion's interactive installation resembles a supermarket, which represents the Biennale and features its ideas and topics displayed as products on the shelves. The exhibition investigates Bahrain's challenges of extreme heat and humidity, whilst examining the ecological weaknesses of its cooling systems and exploring past, present and future water practices in the country. The Czech Republic's installation explores architecture's working conditions and highlights the necessity for change. Slovenia's pavilion showcases ecological buildings from the past as inspiration to incorporate energy efficiency into designs. Chile's pavilion showcases an inventory of species that highlights the importance of ecological repair and restoration, envisioning a future where cities and landscapes are designed in harmony with nature. The Irish Pavilion's installation explores the country's diverse cultures and communities and their sustainable ways of living in harmony with the natural world. Uzbekistan's installation is a research project that focuses on ancient fortresses and the use of earth and bricks as building materials, exploring the diverse potential they offer in architecture. The Italian Pavilion's exhibition, Everyone Belongs to Everyone Else, spotlights a selection of architects under 40 who prioritize collaboration, sharing and dialogue in their architectural practices. The Chinese Pavilion explores concepts such as high-density environments, coexistence, nature integration, renewable resources and innovative technology in architecture. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and check out the other Architecture Biennale videos. I will see you there.